Do you know in Maitrivanam building, 6th floor, there is a recently for handicapped people, there is some course started, maybe some NGO or some organization, I don't know. Every day morning at 9 o'clock, one vehicle will come. There are almost 20, 30 blind people. Blind people will go to the 6th floor. They will come to the lift and they will catch and go to the 6th floor and going to the class every day in here. Believe me, they are completely blind. They are completely blind. They can't see anything. They will have a stick in their hand, and just they are going to touch and then they will go. Those blind people, one to one, they are going to talk like anything. They are enjoying their life like anything, man. Believe me. With the full of smile, with full of happiness, each other, they are going to talk like anything. Completely blind people. There are some people, they are always, the people who are not having legs, the people who are not having the legs, these people are coming. Do you know? Their smile, their communication, wow, makes my day, believe me. First time, I saw them a bit pity. Arey, papam, aged, 18 years, 19 years, 20 years, girls, 20 years, ladies, ready to marry people, not having the eyes, not having leg, like, I show pity on them. I thought, like, but do you know how they are very happy, man? They are creating jokes and they are laughing like anything, man, biggerly. వాళ్ళే లైఫ్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అన్నీ ఉండి మనం ఎందుకు ఎంజాయ్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాం? ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఎ కర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గాడ్? ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ నాట్ ఎంజాయింగ్ దెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ కర్స్ ఆన్ యూ. శాపం. గెటింగ్ రైట్? ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ డే. highly recommended, dosto. Enjoy your day. Highly recommended. Compulsory. Okay? With a smile, with a full friendly nature. Okay? Communicating with the people, spending some time with the people. Because the people are responsible to solve our problems. People will be there. Okay? To provide, to provide some bharosa kind of thing. They are responsible to bring opportunities. Then if any person hospitalized,